and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our first ever RWPP subscription box. This is a period panty monthly type of box, guys, and I'm really excited to unbox this for you guys. I'm actually filming the intro now and I already know what's in this box. Trust me, you gotta stay tuned for this. It's pretty amazing. So let's go ahead. Quick disclaimer, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda. Over here you're gonna find unboxings, reviews, sneak peeks, all kinds of stuff. I upload 6 days a week, Monday through Friday, 12:15 Eastern time, and on Sunday at 9 p.m. I do a lot of get ready with me over there, trying out right here, trying out new, old makeup, shopping my stash, whatever it may be. And over here, friends, it is a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone where we always embrace the hot mess and we're just kind to one another. So stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I'd love to have you as part of the family. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so real quick, a little bit about this company before I jump into the actual unboxing. This is, like I said, called the RWPP box. It is a monthly subscription box and it's called the Rose War Panty Power Box. You guys, this box has me so flippin' excited because I have never found anything like this out on the market at all. Now this company has been around since 2016 and like I said, it is a monthly subscription and it is based on period beauty and underwear subscription box. It's pretty awesome. I'll get more detailed in and let's just go ahead and get into the actual unboxing. So this is the July box for the RWPP box. Much easier to say. So I do get a little card in here and on the back it does give us a little information. It says a featured gift for the July box, which I have not opened, so we'll see everything. And then it does give us, ooh, this is nice. So it gives me, I love when subscription boxes do this. It gives you a card with letting you know everything in here as well as the retail value of everything. So jumping right in, love the presentation. This is what it looks like. I just peeled the little, you guys see the little sticker, and then we've got some tissue paper in here. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Do you guys see this? Okay, so a little bit about this box is it's geared towards women and their monthly time. So everything in here, and right off the bat I'm seeing like snacks, things that we crave during that time. And let me just tell you, you will get an option, and this is like profile based. You do get to make choices of these items. So you can choose from tampons, pads, both, one or the other, and you also get to choose panties. And as far as your panties go, you get to choose from thongs or a mix of regular panties. You can mix them or choose one or the other. And how cute is this? You get a snack. So we got a fruit by the foot. My kids will be fighting over that. Next we did get the Nature's Valley biscuit with almond butter. These are actually really good. Next we've got the Be Fine Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar and sweet almond oats. And let's see if this actually has a 1 ounce. This is 1.5 ounce. This is $15. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? We get a chocolate shake candy little mid. Like, is this not adorable? I mean, I'm already having a lot of thoughts. Oh my gosh, what is this? Live Young Candle Company. Oh, this is so precious. Did my eyes just cross? I think they did. I think I smelled it and was like, that's what I do when things smell really good. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this says a surprise gift, Live Young Candle, retail value $10. What is this? Ooh, okay, so this is all organic soap by Bumblebee and Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum to hydrate and protect. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cool. So I think this was the Yeah, featured gift for your July box. This has a retail value, just this serum alone, of $52. Now, we have seen Dirty Lamb products in other subscription boxes, and I have to say, very, very good products. Very, very good. Clean. That's what I was trying to think. Clean, organic skincare. Very nice. Okay, so then next we did receive some feminine pants, which are very nice, and they actually feel like they're the organic. Yes, they are 100% organic products. I'm big on these products, guys. Like, I have to say, I think organic is the way to go. I know not everybody's gonna agree, and that's totally okay, but for me, feminine products, I like them to be organic, and it says 100% organic period products, 15 total with a value of $7. You will receive 2 undies in here from they have a retail value of $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts below. Love that. And here are our tampons, which again, organic tampons. That is awesome. Then in here, what is this? Oh my goodness. Am I blushing? It's a little wipey wipe for that little area. So you do get a little wipe in here. Actually, you get several. Wow. They say flushable and biodegradable. This has shea, cocoa, and this one has rose water. So you get 5 of those. No, you don't. Hooked on phonics. Try again. You get 4 of those. Oh my gosh. More candy. Oh, you do get 5. You do get 5 of the wipes. More candy products. How cool is that? And then here's our panties in here. And they do go by size, so you always are sure to get the size for you. And it seems so weird to show my now panties on camera. I'm so weird. But these are so cute. They're like the seamless panties. And yeah, like I said, they do go by your size. They ask you your size. It's profile based. You guys, this is precious. This is precious. This, husbands, y'all, go get your boyfriends, go get your husbands, because I don't know about y'all, but if my husband ordered me a box like this, I would love him so much, because you get a little bit of everything. You get a little facial spa treatment. You get the that you don't have to see husbands, boyfriends. You don't got to go to the store for your wifey poo, because boom, the box has already got everything filled up for you. You got the snacks, you got cute little panties. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you get 2 pairs of panties. I just showed 2 pairs of panties. I gotta get over myself, but oh my, oh, these are, well, see, husbands, you would enjoy. You get 2 pairs of panties. Now, like I said, this is choice. So if you want just a regular britches, you can get regular britches, or you can get the keep the marriage alive kind of panties. You know what I'm saying? So this box is awesome. Let me tell you guys as far as how much everything is. So $25.20, and you are guaranteed at least $70 plus every single month. So this is $25.20 plus $11 shipping. It is priority mail though. So to me, I kind of felt like shipping was a little high, just to be honest with you guys. But in all honesty, everything I'm seeing in this box, I am moody at that time. So if I got this, like I said, gifted from my hubs, I would be like, okay, you get some mass brownie points, sweetie. So $25.20, $11 shipping. Like I said, profile based, you do choose all tampons, all pads, or mix of both. You get panties. You can choose from regular britches or thongs only, or again, like I got a mix of both. The tampons and pads are all organic, no matter what, and a minimum value, like I said, $70 or more every month. You guys, why have I never heard of this box before? On top of it, look how precious the box actually looks. This is perfect. This is, thank you for sending this, because I did not know you were out there. Thank you for finding me and sending this to me. I flippin' love this. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Do you want to see me unbox this more? I really like this. I honestly kind of feel like this would be a good gift to give to your daughters as well. What do you guys think, you know? Or your girlfriends. I think this one is great. This is awesome. This is amazing. I love it. And like I said, organic products, you can't beat that. Clean skincare, love that. I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Ferrario. They did send over the UFO 2 Swedish Power mask for me to try out, and they did send me the little pads that go in here day and night. So definitely follow me over on Instagram because I will be trying this out, showing you guys how it works and everything. So okay guys, so that is all for today's video. I love this subscription. I think it is absolutely adorable, so precious. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I'm hopping off right now. I'm actually going to unbox our Bolzano bag, which we haven't seen in a bit, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this unboxing. You found it like extremely like a subscription that you could use in your life. I think this is amazing. I will have it linked below for you guys. I don't know honestly if there is a coupon code available. I don't see one off the top. If there is, like I said, I will link it for you guys below. Anyways friends, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!